This is pretty much the aftermath of Hurricane Irma, what she left behind in her wake, her quest for whatever she's doing. Hurricane Irma is a bitch. I mean, she fucked my whole house up, dude. Like, look at this. I'm standing next to a fucking tree, dude. Shit is ridiculous. We had to rip off our gate so that if we have to leave, we can leave through the front because the block is obviously blocked. So I'm just happy to be alive and surviving it. So as long as I survive, that is okay. Till next time, I'll come back and talk to you guys later.